students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept of cardinality of a set in set theory. Okay, cardinality means the number of elements in a set. A equal to A, B, C, D. Here, the number of elements are 4. So, cardinality of A is 4. B equal to 2, 3. So, here the number of elements is 2. So, cardinality of B is 2. Here C equal to null set. So, here there are no elements. So, cardinality of C is 0. Right. Next, we can explore some applications of this cardinality. For now, we can see these two formulas of cardinality of a set. In upcoming videos, we can explore all other applications of cardinalities. So, first one is if A and B are two finite set. So, the given set are finite one. Then n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Here n of A, n of B and all denoting the number of elements. Second one, n of A dash equal to n of U minus n of A. Here this U is denoting the universal set. Here in this problem, two set is given and we have to verify this application of cardinality. That is n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So first take this left hand side. Next here take this right hand side. Okay. So left hand side n of A union B. First find the A union B. A union B comprises of 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n of A union B, that is the cardinality of A union B is 7. Next, take the right hand side. First find the n of A. N of A denotes the number of elements in A. So, number of elements, that is the cardinality of A is 4. N of B, the cardinality or the number of elements in B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B equal to the elements, the number of elements that is common to both A and B are. 5 is not common, 10 is common, so 1, 15 is not common, 20 is common. So 2 elements are common to both A and B. Next, apply this formula. N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A is 4 plus 5 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Here left hand side you got 7 and in right hand side also you got 7. So LHS equal to RHS, which implies that n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now if A and B are two finite set, then n of A dash equal to n of U minus n of A. So first take the left hand side, next right hand side. Left hand side you have to find the A dash, that is the elements which are in universal set but not in A. So what are those elements? 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. So the cardinality of A dash is 3. Next, the cardinality of universal set is 5. The cardinality of A is 2. So at last find n of U minus n of A. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Here left hand side and right hand side are equal. So we can conclude that n of A dash equal to n of U minus n of A. Thank you for watching. For more videos related to both school and college maths, kindly subscribe to our channel Curious Maths. Kindly like, share, comment your doubts.